how capacitor works, how capacitor resistors. But all things we know in the last class. Now today's class we will learn combinations of capacitors. Combinations of capacitor. First two cases study ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಇದು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಬಂದ್ವಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಆಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ parallel plate capacitor combination of capacitor. Before proceeding is combination of capacitors in 10th standard combination of resistors state ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ combination of resistors. What are the possible of combination? There are two possibles, resistors in series, resistors in parallel. Resistors in series here totally different. Resistance in series ಗೆ ನಾವು equivalent resistance ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ Rs = R1 + R2 + R3 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ equivalent resistance in parallel 1/R = 1/R. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ resistance in series ಗೆ reciprocal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ resistance in parallel ಗೆ ಸೀದಾ addition ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ combination of resistors. First combination capacitors in series. Second, capacitors in parallel. Capacitors in parallel. Series. How to connect series? First one, series. One capacitor, second capacitor, third capacitor. Connected to the battery. Here voltage is 0. C1, C2, C3. This is what series combination. Capacitors in series. Here in series, voltage remains constant. Ratio V1, V2, V3. So what is the formula? C is equal to Q by V. C is equal to Q by V. Here voltage is adding V1 plus V2 plus V3. Potential is adding. Then Q charge remains same. Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q3. From this formula, what is V? V is equal to Q by C. Let us start equation number 1. Let us take here V total. V is V total is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. V is Q by C. C means here C total. This is for video 1. One is C by here charge remains same. Here also Q, here also Q. C1 by Q by C1 for this C1 plus for this Q by C2 plus for this Q by C3. Now what is the common the side? In common Q common. Q common there is 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. This Q get cancelled. So 1 C total is equal to what? 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Understood? Okay. Here C total means C equivalent and C total both are equal. If only two capacitors is there means only two capacitors are there. Two capacitors there, then the equivalent formula. ಅಲ್ಲಿ resistance ನೆನಪಾಯ್ತದೆ. Okay. 1 by only two resistors now. C total is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by C2 is equal to cross multiplication C2 plus C1 ಇದು divided by C1 into C2. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ C total ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ C total is equal to C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Most of the cases only two capacitors ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕಿನ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. What is C total in two capacitors in one C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ two resistors ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, two capacitors ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ C is equal to C ಆದರೆ ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು C ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ರೈಟ್. ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು C plus C 2C 1C ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು C/2 ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 8 microfarad each capacitor is ours, two capacitors having 8 microfarad, then what is the equivalent? C/2 8 by 2 4 microfarad. Simple. This should be understood now. Capacitor series artha aita? Yes. Now capacitors in parallel. In parallel combination. Here branch 1 2 3. Here what is common? No, charge other common
C capacitor
is 0 here 3. Capacitance different C1 C2 ಎರಡೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಮನ್ V ಕಾಮನ್. So V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V3. Q is different. Then Q1 is to Q2 is to Q3. C1 is to C2 is to C3. Now by formula so C total is what is the formula? We have C is equal to Q by V. V is equal to
V1
so Q is equal to C into C. So Q different now. So Q total is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. What is Q1? C1 into V. C total is equal to Q total is equal to C total into V. C1 into V plus C2 into V plus C3 into V. What is common? V common. V common होता है C1 plus C2 plus C3. V get cancelled. So C total is equal to
C1 plus
C2 plus
C3.
Easy, no? C equivalent or C total? No. Series what is common?
Q
Q is common. then V is variable. In parallel,
V is common, Q is variable.
in parallel,
Opposite.
opposite. V is common. Q is variable. Now, let us take two capacitors. What is this combination? What is this combination? Series or parallel?
Series.
Series. Connected 6 microfarad and
Numericals is a problem.
yes, 3 microfarad. 3 microfarad. Connected to 12 volt battery. Find the equivalent. Find that C total. Then Q. Then V given. Potential. Series means V variable. V for each. Each. V for each. Then energy. This much quantity you have to find. First to C total. What is C total formula?
1 by C1 plus 1 by C2.
Okay, two capacitors. Only two capacitors are this.
1 by C1 plus 1 by C2.
Okay, that formula okay. That simplified formula again.
C1 C2 by
C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2.
ಅದು ಎರಡು ಕಪ್ಲೆ ಇರ್ತೇನಣ್ಣ?
ಎರಡಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಎರಡಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಿರೀಸ್ಗೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ಗೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ?
No, parallel is series total C1 plus C2 plus C2. Parallel ಇದೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Parallel is direct add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. But here in series ನಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? reciprocal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. So C1 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 6. C2 3 divided by 6 plus 9. 6 3 is 18 by 9. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 2
microfarad.
2 microfarad. C total ಬಂತು. Now Q is equal to C is equal to what formula? Q by V. Q is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? C into V. C total ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
2 farad.
2 into 10 to the power
minus 6.
minus 6 or 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad into V ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
10. 12.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಇದನ್ನ 2 microfarad ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ 2 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ 2 microfarad. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. C 2 into 12 24. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಕೂಲಂಬ್.
ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಕೂಲಂಬ್. ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೂಲಂಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? Q ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? V1 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
V2 V1
C by Q by
CT.
Q ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ C1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 24
by 6.
C1 ಎಷ್ಟು? 6. C1 4 6 1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6 4 volt. V2 24 by C2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 24 by
8.
3 1 8. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
8 volt.
8 volt. See here 6 4 plus 8 12. 4 plus 8 12. 12. Next energy. What is energy formula? 1 by 2 Q square by 2C, no? That is Q square by 2C. C total. Q is 24
square.
24 into 24. C
2 CT 2.
C total is 2. Is 10 to the power
minus 6.
minus 12 square
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೇ 24 ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದು 24 into 10 to the power minus 6 24 into 10 to the power minus 6 square ಇರ್ತದೆ. 24 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 24 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by C total ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 1 minus 6 1 minus 6 cancel 2 ones are 2 12s are 2 ones are 2 12s are total square value 144 micro joules energy. Also find energy stored in 3 microfarad. So energy is equal to 1 by 2 q square by c. No? Yes, q is to 24 into 24 10 to the power
minus
12 divided by 2 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 6. Right?
2 into 10 to the power minus 6. 2 microfarad.
Is that the energy stored in 3 microfarad? Yes. 2 ones are 2 12s are 3 ones are 3 4s are ಎಷ್ಟು RX 3 ones are ಇದೆಷ್ಟು 12 ಇದೆಷ್ಟು 2 3 8s are 12 8s are 96 ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಬಿತ್ತು
10 to the power
minus 6 96 micro joules. Disconnect this other wires. One, two, three. 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 3 microfarad. For this, what you have to find? C total. First question C total. Second question. Here, what is this combination called? Parallel combination. Parallel combination, what is same? V is same. Find Q. Find Q. In each. Then
energy.
Then C total. Energy stored. Then total energy stored. Then energy stored in each capacitor. Try ಮಾಡಿ. Question ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Delta V on each. First question. C total. What is C total for parallel combination? C1 plus C2 plus C3. Here 1 microfarad is equal to C1, 2 microfarad is equal to C2, 3 microfarad is equal to C3. Right? Now C total is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 6 microfarad. C total ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು C mic Q each ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is formula? Q is equal to C is equal to Q by V. Q is equal to C into V. First capacitor Q1 is equal to C1 into V. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮದು V ಕಂಡು fourth question. Delta V, how much? It is given 4 volt. It's given 4 volt. Same. 4 volt same. Now Q1 C1 is 1 into 4 micro volt. 2 into 4 8 micro coulomb. Q3 C3 into V 3 into 4 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 12 micro coulomb. Next fourth one energy formula ಏನು U is equal to
QC
Q square by
2C
2C. Q square ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ V ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ
V ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವ್ದೈತೆ V is equal to 1 by 2 C square ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ C ಟೋಟಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ V is equal to 1 by 2 C ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 6 V 4 square ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 4 square 16 V is equal to 1 by 2 6 into 16 2 ones are 2 8s 8 6 are 48 micro joule right correct